Atomic Habits. Chapter 16. How to stick with good habits every day. The power of habit tracking for building good habits. In 1993, Trent Dersmid, a young stockbroker, used a simple daily habit to achieve remarkable success in his career. He employed what is known as the paper clip strategy, moving one paper clip from a jar to another for every sales call he made. This visual measure of progress provided immediate satisfaction and reinforced his behavior. Habit tracking, in various forms, can be a powerful tool for sticking with good habits every day. The benefits of habit tracking. Habit tracking is a simple way to measure whether you are sticking to a habit. It creates a visual cue that reminds you to act, making the behavior obvious. This tracking process is inherently motivating as it shows the progress you are making and helps you avoid breaking the chain of habits. The satisfaction of recording successful instances of your habit further reinforces the behavior, making habit tracking easier. Automate tracking whenever possible by utilizing existing data, such as credit card statements, fitness trackers, or calendars. Limit manual tracking to the most important habits to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Record each measurement immediately after the habit occurs, combining the habit stacking method with habit tracking. Recovering from habit breakdowns. Nobody is perfect, and at some point, life will interrupt your habits. The key is to never miss twice. If you miss a day, get back on track as soon as possible. Remember that a single lapse doesn't matter as much as the repeated mistakes that follow. Avoid the all-or-nothing cycle, and even on bad days, do something related to your habit to maintain the compounding gains. Knowing what to measure. Choosing the right measurement is crucial for effective habit tracking. Sometimes the obvious measure may not be the most meaningful one. Avoid focusing solely on numbers and consider non-scale victories that indicate progress in different aspects of your habit. Goodhart's law reminds us that when a measure becomes the target, it may lose its effectiveness, so be mindful of how you use habit tracking and what you choose to measure. Conclusion. Habit tracking can be a powerful tool for building good habits. It provides visual evidence of your progress, motivates you to continue, and gives a sense of satisfaction with each successful instance. Remember that habit tracking is not an end in itself, but a means to guide and reinforce your journey toward positive change. Choose your measurements wisely, recover quickly from any setbacks, and enjoy the benefits of sticking with good habits every day.